Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a document in PDF on Mac. First, find the PDF document you need to sign on your computer. Simply double-click the file, and it will automatically open in Preview, which is the built-in PDF viewer on your Mac. Make sure the entire document is loaded and clearly visible before proceeding to the next step. Now that your PDF is open, it's time to access the signing tools. Look for the Show Markup Toolbar icon, which resembles a small toolbox, usually located near the top right of the preview window. Clicking this icon will expand a new toolbar with various editing options. Within this expanded toolbar, you'll easily spot the sign icon, which looks like a handwritten signature. With the Markup toolbar open, click on the sign icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Create Signature. Preview offers 3 convenient ways to do this. You can draw your signature directly on your trackpad, use your iPhone as a trackpad, or even hold a piece of paper with your signature up to your Mac's camera. Pick the method that feels most natural and gives you the best result. Once your signature is created, simply click on it from the Signature menu to place it onto your PDF document. You can then click and drag the signature to precisely position it where it needs to be. To adjust its size, use the blue handles that appear around the signature's edges, making it larger or smaller as needed. Finally, remember to save your document by going to File and then Save to ensure your signed PDF is preserved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.